Hello students of class 7, welcome back in my video number 3 of biology, in which we will continue our chapter number 1, nutrition in plants. Okay students, come to page number 4. Come to page number 4 and read the paragraph of do you know. It's really very informative about forest. As we know that we take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide when breathe, and this need huge amount of oxygen which comes from the forest as they release oxygen in enormous amount, यानी बहुत बड़ी मिकदार में ऑक्सीजन रिलीज करते हैं फॉरेस्ट. enormous means बहुत बड़ी क्वांटिटी या मिकदार. And they also take in carbon dioxide for process of photosynthesis, which is very harmful for our health. लेकिन हर साल तकरीबन 28 मिलियन एकर्स पर फैले हुए जंगलात फार्मिंग की वजह से काट दिए जाते हैं और इसी वजह से पूरी दुनिया में ग्लोबल वार्मिंग बढ़ रही है. ठीक है, आपको इतनी बात समझ में आ रही है. अब now you will come to the exercise. Now you know on the same page. Take a pencil and write true false in question number 1. A. Carbon dioxide is released during photosynthesis. The answer is false, because you know that oxygen is released in photosynthesis, not carbon dioxide. So you will write false here. False. B. Plant which synthesize their own food are called saprophets. The answer is false, because autotrophs synthesize their own food. So you will write false here. C. The product of photosynthesis is not protein. The answer is true, because we all know that the end product of photosynthesis is glucose. So we will write true here. D. Solar energy is converted into chemical energy during photosynthesis. The answer is true, because we know that energy is stored in chemical form in plants. So we will write true here. E. Glucose is transported through protein. Answer is false, because we all know that glucose is transported through special conducting tubes called phloem. So we will write here false. Okay. Now come to the next exercise, that is choose the correct answer. A. Which part of the plant release oxygen during photosynthesis? जैसा कि हमें मालूम है कि हमारे पास जो फोटोसिंथेसिस में ऑक्सीजन रिलीज़ कहाँ से होती है, इसमें आपके पास ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं. रूट हेयर्स, स्टोमेटा, लीफ, वेन्स और नंबर 4 है सेपल्स. तो द करेक्ट आंसर इज स्टोमेटा. So we will tick over here. B. Plant take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere mainly through their number 1 is roots, stem, flowers, leaves. तो plants कहाँ से carbon dioxide लेते हैं? ज़्यादातर अपने leaves से. The correct answer is leaves. We will tick over here. C is the substance which the organisms obtain from surroundings to derive energy for its maintenance and growth is known as. अब इसका आंसर क्या होना चाहिए? जाहिर है वो सब्सटेंसेस हमें बताने हैं जो कि सराउंडिंग से अपने ग्रोथ के लिए फूड और एनर्जी लेते हैं. दैट इज़ न्यूट्रिएंट. नंबर 1 इज़ nutrient. The correct answer is nutrient. D. The process by which green plants derive their nutrition is. अब इसमें transpiration, respiration, photosynthesis और absorption. So the correct answer is photosynthesis. We will take over here. Okay students, you can give short answers from 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 by yourself as they related the topics which I have explained in my previous videos. No need to write the answers in copies. These are for your knowledge only.